I owe you $3, like I said. That's $6. I know, I got you. I want to share a piece that was, okay, you owe me a haiku, damn it. And I want a 353, not a 575, because it's hard to do. It's kind of funny that, thank you very much, but I love to let my tears just run and lick the salt. I want to share with you guys a couple of pieces that was part of the journey, but I also want to share some pieces that was not part of the journey. And I know we don't have too much time as far as like for the video, but I want to thank you ahead of time for coming and sharing your energy this evening. It's very well received. It let us know that what is to be is supposed to be, and what isn't won't. So I look at the habitual demonic demons in the world, and I understand that they're still seeking their truth. And we can't knock their truth right now, because their truth will eventually lead them to enlightenment. But I want to share a piece that's kind of like strangely familiar to my path. I got you over there, Jim. We got your announcement as soon as I get done, boo-boo. I ain't forgot about you. Okay, well, look, we love you. Sit yourself there for 1 minute. But
that's how you talk to your ex-wife.
This is called Colorless Pain. This piece was written, actually it really wasn't written, it was spontaneously done. I had just had surgery on my leg, and I still did not have mobility in my right hand. And my friend, DJ Doughboy, DJ Jason, and Michelle, and Miss Nikki, aka Buddha Baby, came and took me out of the house and forced me to go into the studio. And this piece was the only piece from that session that made it on that. And I'm speaking in this particular tone because this was the voice it was written in. And you have to speak in the voice that is taught. And it says that pain crawled, bringing tears up my windows. And lights moved through the distance, and I can't find change because there's too many directions. And though I notice my pain, see it has too many faces. And I'm stripped of color, having no bounds, I'm felt throughout the world. I'm felt in Sudan, Egypt, Japan, China, India, Russia, Germany, Scotland, England, France, Spain, Greece, Turkey, and America. Where my pain lies in the sadness in the eyes of us all. And lights are moving still, oh, I can't change, because there's too many directions. Far from where I come from, seeking what I'm leaving. These are the hearts that are stuck on anger, unable of transforming. Yet I remember who I used to be, and my distances was unlimited then. Now I see that crowns are placed out of order. They wash unworthy sorrow and blessings. Holding words too close to hearts. Keeping hearts from feeling healing. Separation from human connection. I think it's mostly human interaction. I tell you, peace has stopped flowing. Splendor is gone and harmony is no more, and chaos moves us all, cracking loose across my pain, and it has no face. And I'm stripped of color, and I have no bounds, because I'm felt throughout the world. Now before I finish my session, come on, boo. You don't do it. We're bringing this Gemini on up to the mic right quick, because the Gemini, like I said, the twin spirits, she hit a lot here, my twin soul, you know what I'm saying? And she my other baby mama, she got my 3 children, you know what I'm saying? And she has a little announcement that she wants to say, because she say, 100% thankful, because she naughty by nature.
I'm trying to give y'all some information, and he just cut me up. How y'all doing? Good. Wayne State is having a hip-hop fest. It's called the Ziggity Boom Hip-Hop Fest. They estimate 30,000 students will be at this festival, so you need to be there with your product. 9 times out of 10, because I've been working with them on how to table, so if you want to put your product on my table, I'll let you for a small fee. They're having auditions. This is the last audition for the show. It's going to be Wednesday from 5 to 8 at United Sound Studio, located at 5840 2nd Avenue. And they're taking all types of talent. So you can dance, rap, poetry, sing, vibe, whatever it is you can do, come out and audition. Thank you.
You know it's lady. Because the Gemini always say, I don't leave my sexy ass out, but I don't. I love her. That's my baby mama. But getting back to what I was in the process of doing before I perceived the karma card. Could you please come up to the mic for 1 second? Now, if y'all don't know, I'm right-handed. I paint from my right hand. But at one point in time, I could not write with my right hand. And God told me that I had to go to my beta level, slow it down, and learn how to write all over again. And that piece right there is a Leah syndrome piece, which is also called humane. She does a dance for you, the dance of freedom, freeing oneself from labels. That's why she has the label of the Leah syndrome woman. And because, what does your card say? It says, I know that karma does not mean suffering or punishment. You have learned not to suffer. Karma is a result of your past actions, allowing you to learn and to grow. So for you, the ghetto opera will work to present you, as well as she is the reason why I give to Alternative for Girls. Alternative for Girls was our special guest for the first two ghetto opera plays back in 1997. She can tell you better than I could. I don't know how I changed people's lives, but she knows. And that's why this is about giving to others. It's not about me. It's about other people. A lot of times we become consumed with this thing all about me. I'm trying to be a superstar. I already know that I'm a star, so I need not implode inside of myself trying to be super. That piece is for you. Yes. Thank you. We love you. She don't like to be called goddess, or her name is goddess. And I like me. Oh, they got me all proud and shit up in here. You're welcome. Because it's all about giving. Because the universe told me that, sometimes I need to let go of parts of myself. And this is a piece that didn't make it to the CD, but this made a whole lot of people cry during the first plays of the ghetto opera. And I want to keep it short and keep it simple, but this is called Emotionalist. The reason why I'm reading this piece is because right now the world is in a state of emotionalism. Post 9/11, I say we collectively mourn together. Regardless to whether you cried outwardly or you cried inwardly. And what the ghetto opera is truly about is about embracing that suffering, transforming it to love and to light, and utilizing it to help others. Because you never know who you help in the shadowlands. And this piece is to myself. But also, you know my mama. So she know how Turkey was back in the day. But my mother's a very beautiful person. But she was the greatest controlled drama semantic teacher. I couldn't understand it growing up. Couldn't understand it at all. But when I was an adult, I understood that she taught me how to master the intimidator, the interrogator, the poor me. Because see, my mother was slightly schizophrenic for real, manic depressive and bipolar. So when Kalima said it in the poem, I lived it for real. And she just recently got medicated, so I lived 30 years drug-free, self-medication. And it says that people wonder why I refuse to fight for unconditional love. I really don't know why. But I know that sometimes I imagine real people standing hand in human, maybe fighting for something real like unconditional love, because too many of my children refuse to fight for love. They still wonder what is love because they say it's never been taught. They say the only thing they know is this tangible, selfish, material, physical.